I'm going to show you how I took this table from FUGLY to Flipping Gorgeous in less than 5 minutes. So jump on in, buckle up, let's go. This was actually a gift for my sister. I scored this table off of Facebook Marketplace for $45. Step one was removing the original varnish. I applied the Min Wax paint stripper just to help the sanding be a lot easier. I stripped it using an 80 grit and then finished it off with a very fine 400. And here's the part you're gonna love or hate. I then applied just regular Clorox bleach. I didn't dilute it, I just went straight full force. I let the bleach sit for about 24 hours and then cleaned it off really well before applying this wood stain. It is SUNBLEACH by Varathane. Then it was time to address the table base, and this thing was too intricate to try to strip down and bleach, so I decided that I was going to chalk paint it black. One of the best inventions in sliced bread is spray chalk paint, and I've linked that below as well. Here is how the table turned out at the top and the bottom. I just absolutely loved it. I would say that on light wood, this Varathane SUNBLEACH comes out very light, but on a darker wood, I have had it come out a little more gray. We found these two chairs for $10 each on Facebook Marketplace and decided that we would do the same black spray paint on them. Again, this is a chalk paint by RUSTOLEUM, so you technically don't have to prime them. However, I would say if I did this project over again, I would have primed these chairs just because they get touched a lot, and I have noticed that the spray paint started to chip a little bit on places that was touched a lot. So I would use something like a bin primer or a spray primer and then apply the RUSTOLEUM black chalk paint. Again, listed the product below. Again, I think this is just the best. It makes it so much easier to paint something quickly versus having to paint it all on. With the spray chalk paint, you just want to go in little areas at a time, clean lines, just let it dry before you apply a second coat because you don't want it to get gunky. So again, just small section. And here's the final product. It's Flipping Gorgeous. You can download my free furniture flipping blueprint below.